The University Cultural District is a metropolitan project of regional impact, located in the northwest of the metropolitan area of Guadalajara. It will include educational services, generation of knowledge, and innovation, as well as housing with retail and services in an environment of 1,000 acres surrounding the University Cultural Center.
In the search for the reason of the creation of CityScope, we got to the research question: how to develop a diverse, functional urban district with less impact on its surroundings?
Development of the model as a tangible user interface had the mission of seeking the participation of non-specialist users in the reading of urban phenomena. To achieve this goal, it was necessary to investigate and review different concepts. In this way, the materials were chosen, as well as the dimensions, scale of the study area, design functions, and general aesthetics to cover all the needs.
We constructed the variables and indicators around three axes: diversity, functionality, and environmental impact. With this, we were looking to measure the different factors that could affect the conception and construction of the University Cultural District, while also minding to align these factors to the aspirations and ideals of the district itself.
Geographic Information System allows to analyze the urban environment, build indicators, and represent problems graphically through maps. It's a tool for decision-making.
At the City Science Laboratory of the University of Guadalajara, we use Gamma platform to incorporate the behavior of people, entities, and organizations, as well as environmental variables and georeference data. In this way, we can generate simulations that give us a visualization of the possible results from different urban interventions.
The design of the dashboard responds to the interest of making information management more accessible, to help much more democratic and inclusive decision-making according to the different profiles of the actors that participate in the urban area to be intervened.
For this project, we needed a way to show the valuable information from the CityScope to the people, so we implemented this dashboard. And since we wanted to make it beautiful and touchy, we chose to use Unity, that is a platform made for video games. So that way we have the access to all these tools that will make it look really cool.
Our group was invited to collaborate with this wonderful project in the physical model to be included. The premises were, first, to be able to handle the daily and rough use of the parts built, and second, to elegantly represent the urban structures and buildings in our master plan in different possible scenarios. At the same time, we were asked to innovate and make sure the model could somehow reflect our local identity in the processes, systems, and materials used. We studied and evaluated several alternatives, and finally selected one that met all the requirements and that efficiently interacted with all the other systems and variables of the tangible interface.
Designing an electronic system that will allow communication with the sensor and software through the collaboration of undergraduate and graduate students for its development. Students and researchers participated in the construction of energy indicators to favor the study area.
Integrate the user interface with the simulation software so that in this way, a physical change in the table can be reflected into its digital counterpart. This allows to have a flow of information that goes from physical pieces to the database that sets the scenario that is being displayed and simulated on the table and generating the indicators. Initially, we had a contact-based user interface with copper tracks distributed along the table. However, for reasons of wear and tear and to improve interaction, we opted for a computer vision interface with QR codes.
Vean cómo el escenario ve, se configura con el mira, ya hay más diversidad, excelente, está funcionando, me parece perfecto. Mira, tenemos aquí esto, perfecto, y entonces mira, ve cómo cambia esto, y si lo ponemos acá, se pone acá, ve nomás. Sí funcionó la interacción, wow. Sí, ya sé. Vamos para allá, a ver, acá es que se mueva Gama, que se mueva algo.